Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the gear. Confirm the microphone or interface advertises USB audio class or has a vendor driver that guarantees plug-and-play or stable drivers. Once done, connect with a short, shielded USB cable to a primary port. Avoid passive hubs that break power or bandwidth. Make sure phantom power, gain, and sample rate on the device are set to match your project. This prevents clipping or mismatch later. Next, install any required drivers or firmware updates and restart when asked. This ensures the OS recognizes the hardware correctly. Then open System Sound Preferences and your DAW or streaming app and choose the USB device for input and output so audio routes consistently. Once selected, set buffer size and sample rate to balance latency and stability. Lower buffers reduce latency, higher buffers improve reliability. Finally, test signal levels with monitoring to avoid. To finish, lock the sample rate on the device, the operating system, and the application so you avoid automatic resampling and sync issues. Once routing is stable, save the device as default or create an I/O preset in your app for quick recall. If audio stutters or disconnects, try a different USB port, a powered hub, or increase the buffer. Also check cables, update drivers, and power cycle the interface. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.